What's up guys, so official teaser of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is here. It's now official and we know Samsung's Unpacked event is just a day from now and it's happening on 11th February. But before that official release of S20 series and Galaxy Z Flip, we got this official teaser of Galaxy Z Flip. Well, there is nothing more anticipated and any unique thing in this teaser because we have already seen everything about this device. It's been leaking very much. We got a couple of videos in the back week, especially even a clip shot of internal specs of Galaxy Z Flip and full hands-on overview. That is ridiculous, but today it just blew up and it all ended up to this teaser. Just have a look at this video clip, how cinematic it is. It's obviously the official teaser released by Samsung, so we can see every aspect of device, every angle is clear, and it will be available in two colors as you can see in this teaser, purple and black. And look at this position, it can lock at the position of 90 degrees, not just 90 degrees position, it can also go up to 180 degrees, giving you an amazing viewing experience. And then this outer display at rear side, which shows some information when your phone is folded. It will show you some cool little stuff like calls, time and battery percentage. And then another amazing thing that when you are calling someone like video call, you can lock it in 90 degrees so you can watch it easily while you are doing some other stuff on other side. And this is also a cool thing and a new thing for me. And then this teaser ends up with this sentence that is change the shape of future. And also the Unpacked event date is mentioned here, that is February 11th. We know this already, almost a month ago it was actually leaked. Not just date was leaked, also the official teaser. And along with that, here is that video clip which actually shows up every detail and internal specs, like it has Snapdragon 855 SoC processor, 3300 milliamps of battery and 6.7 inches of display, where the glass used is ultra thin glass according to Samsung. And then here is this official Galaxy Z Flip wallpaper. So this is going to be an amazing device, a best foldable smartphone from Samsung ever. Let me know your thoughts about this in comment section below, and do subscribe and like if you love my work, and stay tuned for that upcoming updates from Samsung's Unpacked event that is happening on 11th February, and I'll see you guys in the next one.